Hello, my crafty friends. It's Sheree. Welcome to my craft room. I hope you're having a good day. I'm here to do a little flip through of this Junky Junk Journal. So this is the last one that I'm making for right now. They're all in my shop unless they've been sold. Yeah, this is the last one. Turned out super cute. I used on the front here some coffee dyed paper and on the back that I had stenciled, and I had a couple scraps in my scrap box, and I was actually working on this at work on my lunch break, so this is what I had with me, and so that's what I used. Yeah, I really love how that looks, don't you? It's stenciled with it is ink, coffee ink, coffee colored. I think it's coffee colored ink. It's called coffee, but then it has some like little muslin strip on the spine here, a little Tim Holtz label here on the back. This was a heart stencil, like, so this is half of a heart here on the back. So that is also coffee dye paper. It's sewn around front and back, and my little closure is sewn on here. I just want to tell you quick about the front here. This is a piece of Tim Holtz ephemera, but underneath is a coffee dyed piece of dryer sheet. So one day I was, getting the laundry out of the dryer, and there was a dryer sheet in there, and I realized, it almost reminded me of cheesecloth. I mean, it's quite different, but for some reason, it reminded me, a thin piece of whatever dryer sheets are made out of. So I took it, and I coffee dyed it, and that's what it turned out nice. I thought, well, I can use this. You know what I mean? I can reuse this and not just throw it in the trash. So here it is now in back of this little, you can see it here. There's a little bit showing on the sides and up here. So there is a coffee dyed dryer sheet behind this piece of Tim Holtz ephemera. And then so another little piece of muslin here. And it is sewn on here and here. And like I said, the journal's sewn all the way around the cover. So on the inside, I have just some scraps. Like I said, I was working on this at work and just I had brought a bag of scraps with me and this cover. And so here's a couple of scraps here. And this is actually a pocket right here. And then inside the back cover is another pretty scrap. So I thought this turned out really cute. And I'll show you the papers. Here are the pages. These have all been blank. They're super inexpensive or cost effective in my shop because they're just little journals, using up and repurposing things. I'm calling them my junky junk journals. So I wanted to make them, at a low price for whoever might want one. But here you can see I'm talking and not telling you what the pages are, but this is wrapping that I took out, or stuffing from like an Amazon package, this brown paper. This was wrapped around a piece of, or a ream of paper at work, this pretty paper here. And I've been using that. I've been opening it carefully so I could reuse that. This is a pocket here, and I left it open so you can glue it down if you want, or leave it open. This is a piece of, I think this was notebook paper, and I dyed it with some paint that I had left in a bottle. I just added water, shook it up, and poured it out into a bottle, and then I was able to use it as a dye. So that came out pretty purple or violet colored. This is a piece of a calendar. This was actually the cover where it shows you all the different pictures that are in a calendar. So this one has all these pretty butterflies on it. This is a window envelope here. And here's the window, as you can see. A couple of pieces that I had that were smaller, but I put them together like as a page, but they're separate pieces. This is notebook paper, and this is graph paper. And then this is a security envelope. So this is the white side here, which was the outside, and this is the inside of the envelope, which I thought was so pretty. And then another couple of small pieces here of a ledger. This is a yellow ledger that was actually used. There's some numbers right down here, but I love this color. And so it has a lot of writing space in here, or gluing in or drawing or whatever you want to do. Some more of that brown paper packaging, and one of the calendar pages with a butterfly. And it's a pretty butterfly there in the middle. And all of these journals, I think I used on all of them embroidery floss to bind them. So this is the middle, and then the back half, the same papers you just saw. This side of the ledger has a little fold out there, and then the rest of the papers. This is that window envelope. The other side of it has this nice security pattern on it, security envelope pattern. The calendar page. This side has some nice lines to write on. The purple paper, and there you go. So that is that one. Just wanted to do a quick little flip through there, and it just ties up when you're done using it. I think these are a lot of fun, and I really like the papers that I put inside of them. And it could be a quick little journal for someone if you need a gift for someone or for yourself. And with it, I've been reusing, especially since these are junky junk journals, and they're like really totally repurposed everything, except for maybe the, like I've been saying when I'm decorating now, I'm saying I'm prettying them up. So, I had to pretty them up with something, especially on the fronts or the covers with something, whatever it may be. Tim Holtz pieces. I put a bunny on one, just I had to pretty them up. And then the inside are all the recycled papers. And so I'm using recycling and repurposing my little cellophane envelopes that come with packaging. So all the goodies, I'm going to put some goodies in here, and that will come with this journal. So I've got a couple of labels here. These are labeled like stickers. So those. This is also a little label. This one is also a sticker. It's got a little bee on it right there, and a little postmark. These are super cute. I love labels. And then a couple of coffee dyed tickets. A couple little, kind of like I would call these collage pieces. There are 3 here. There's 3 little collage pieces here. These come in those little notebooks like this, and you kind of just peel them out and use them. So those are fun. I've done collaging with them, and they come out really, really pretty, actually. I put some all together, like side by side. So it's, all sides are touching, and it just looks like a beautiful collage when you're done. This is from my bird ephemera book. Little pieces that I cut out there. And postcard, papery postcard. And this is actually a collage piece too. It's collaged, and then you can use it. Excuse me, there's a little label here in the middle that you can write on, and then this can be decorative if you want to put it on the edge of a page, or fold it over the edge of a page, or just whatever, add it to anything. This can be a great writing spot. It says my checklist on the top there. I love the color in the lines. And then this also can be a great vintagey writing spot if you wanted to, or tear it up and use it in collage or whatever. Cut it in half and use it for 2 writing spots. And this one says today at the top. And then here it says Monday through Sunday. So really pretty little pieces you can add, and that will all be in here. So that's it for this one. This will be in my shop when you see this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.